Hi, welcome to Leisure Arts. I'm Christy Simpson and I'm so excited to show you this awesome latch hooking kit. It comes with everything that you need to complete your project. So let's take a look inside. It comes with your instructions that include step-by-steps on how to complete your project. It has a completed photo and it also has a visual of how to use your latch hook. It comes with a color printed graph so that you can see completely how to complete the canvas mesh. The canvas is a 20 by 16 and it is pre-printed to help guide you along your project. So if you've never completed a latch hooking kit before, you will be able to complete this one in no time. The other thing in here is your latch hook and all of the pre-cut yarn. Every color that you need and the amount that you need to complete your project. So no cutting and no mess. So go to leisurearts.com and get your kit today. Take your pre-cut yarn and fold it in half. You're going to pull that center loop over the latch, just like that. Insert the hook under your canvas all the way until you get to the latch, like that. See, the latch is on top. Then you're going to hold the ends of your yarn and bring them around the latch, in between the latch and the hook. Then as you pull it, it will close the latch and pull it through your square on your cotton canvas, and it will pull it through and complete it for you. All you have to do is give it a tug. As you can see, this is already color coded, and you can also use the chart that is given in your kit. And we are working on the bottom corner, starting from right to left, just because that's what I prefer. Now, whenever you get to the next row, you will do the same thing. You're going to take and place your yarn over your latch hook underneath the latch. You're going to take and put your latch underneath all the way until the latch comes through. Hold the ends of the yarn, wrap it around the latch, kind of flipped up on me, so I just pulled it back, flip it around the latch in between it and the hook, and then pull through. Now to do it at a more regular pace, I'll just show you really quick. Like that, in there, up, there it goes, wrap it around, pull it back through. See, it doesn't take as long if you're doing it at normal speed, but for a demo, you gotta go kind of slow. And again, I'm working on the pink. Wrap it around in between, and then it will latch it and pull it through. And then you just give it a tug. And just work right to left using the color code and your graph, and then you can complete your latch hook kit.